feeling cute. Might fly a drone with 2D props and 3D later. I don't know. So stupid. Hey everybody, Zoe here. So today we're going to test out whether or not 2D props will work for 3D mode. It's probably one of the most common questions I get, and it's probably one of the things that holds people back the most, using 2D props to fly 3D. Traditionally, 3D props well, not traditionally, but the purpose of them is for 3D props to give you inverted thrust the same as they give you positive thrust. Now, 2D props give you more thrust in positive direction, meaning you can only go one way efficiently. When you go upside down, the efficiency of the blade is horrible. It sounds like a choo-choo whistle. It's really bad. So it doesn't really work all that well, but the question is, does it work? And can you 3D with a 2D setup? Steel barrel roll! Whew! It is beautiful out here. So we're at Waldorf School here in Santa Cruz, California. One of my old hot spots. I learned how to fly out here. And yeah. Stoked to come back here for Easter weekend and enjoy the spot and kind of take it back in all these years later. So hopefully you enjoy. Oh gosh, I just burped. One takes. I ain't doing a second take anymore. We're doing it raw. So, just how will these props handle 3D? Let's find out. Today I learned you have a lot less thrust when you're inverted with regular 2D props. I was not quite expecting that. So thankfully everything's good. We're gonna give that another try and see if I can actually do something competent with these 2D props flying 3D. Let's try this again. Okay, so I haven't flown this in 3D mode with these props, or really in 2D mode much, so I'm gonna give it a quick whirl and figure out how it feels before getting into it too much. Yeah, so quick back and forth, it feels okay. It really doesn't have a lot of inverted pop, so it's okay for pause maneuvers, but as far as actually getting yourself out of trouble, I don't know. So playing around with 2D mode, a little 3D, not much pop again, it just kind of holds itself in air, so not much thrust with these props, and I'm running 5 saw in the setup, so it's got some power. Try again here. And just barely has enough juice to get me up over the tree. And it's really hard for me to feel confident in getting close to objects going inverted when, you know, I hit the ground on my first attempt. So I'm taking it really easy on this run. And yeah, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's smooth, but you've got no gut to it. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that attempt at me flying 3D with 2D props. It was a pretty bad attempt. I should really give a bunch of different props a try and see which ones work best for this, because realistically there's going to be some props out there that are probably going to work better than the ones I used, which were prototype props sent to me from GemFan a long time ago, and they're, you know, outdated. Anyways, yeah, let's just go have some fun. Now that we've, you know, tested it, let's go have some fun and fly some 2D around this amazing location and enjoy ourselves a little bit. Just a little bit, yeah?
So if you really go the whole way and see how you feel at the prospect of vanishing forever, of all your efforts and all your achievements and all your attainments turning into dust and nothingness, what is the feeling? What happens to you? That's what it's going to all come to. And for some reason or other, we're supposed to find this depressing. Do you see, in a way, how that is saying the most real state is the state of nothing? But if somebody is going to argue that the basic reality is nothingness, where does all this come from? Obviously from nothingness. Once again, you get how it looks behind your eyes. See? So in this way, by seeing that nothingness is the fundamental reality, and you see it's your reality, then how can anything contaminate it? All the idea of your being scared and put out and worried and so on is just nothing. It's a dream. Because you're really nothing. But this is the most incredible nothing. So cheer up, you see. The essence of your mind is intrinsically pure. Pure means clear, void. See, if you think of this nothingness as mere blankness, and you hold on to the idea of blankness, and kind of grisly about it, you haven't understood it. He said nothingness is really like the nothingness of space, which contains the whole universe. All the sun, moon, and stars, and the mountains and rivers, and the good men and the bad men, and the animals and the insect, the whole bit, all are contained in the void. So out of this void comes everything, and you are it. What else could you be?
Thank you guys for watching that video. Sorry I haven't been making a lot of content lately. I haven't been feeling good. I've traveled many miles across California to come to the Bay Area to have some nerve ablation done. And I'll probably be doing another video on that shortly to talk about what nerve ablation is and what I've been dealing with medically and all that other fun stuff. But anyways, that's not what this video is about. This video is about 2D and 3D props. And I gotta say, can't go wrong with 3D props. They're definitely better than 2D props. Apart from that, thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you gleaned a little bit of information. It is not impossible, but it is definitely a little bit more difficult to use 3D or 2D props for 3D. If you like this video, like it. If you didn't like it, don't like it. Leave a comment. Subscribe, hit that notification icon. Like seriously, none of you have been watching my videos lately, and it's because I've been making bad content. I don't blame you. So hopefully I'll be making better content. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this content more. And until next time, I've been Zoe FPV. You've been awesome. I love your faces.
Ooh. I see all kinds of craziness happening there.
Yeah, I saw that one actually tumbled quite a bit.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah.
I think I broke something, but I got it back up.